Hi, sorry for not uploading for a long time, like 6 months. So in this video, I will show you how to do an H perm. The moves are M2, U, M2, U2, M2, U, M2. The solution to it, my fastest solution is Then the next perm is a U perm. M2, U, M prime, U2, M, U, M2. Then if you repeat it 2 more times, you will have a solved state. Next perm is a J perm, more specifically a JB perm. R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime, R, U, L prime, U, R prime, U prime, L. This is a JB perm case. Then the solution. Next perm that I will show you is a P perm. R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R2, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, F prime. That will be all.